Hello, welcome to another vlog. Today we are going to DAC. It's a day off for most of us, but this is a lovely gem down here. I think you know everyone's names already, so let's go.
Come on, let's roll. So now this is me and Alexa's channel. Thanks for subscribing to my channel.
Watch me in North.
Casey, what are you doing?
I am packing my bag. Oh, this is my new Loungefly. I just bought it. It's my first one.
It's mine.
Can you be quiet? We have the park essentials. We have water. Absolutely. We have
Fuel rod.
sunscreen.
Should I give them a tour of my bag? It has my costume.
And then we have coin purse, which Megan gave me, her grandma made. How do I adjust the straps?
Fuck if I know.
Fit of the day. This is from Brandy Melville. These are from Madewell. These are from Nike. This is from Loungefly.
These are from Walmart. These are from Old Navy. These are from Route 21. This is Disney Loungefly. This is also Disney merch.
These are from Soarin' over Main Street. These are Madewell. This is, my jewelry is normal. This is Nichelle, Tiffany. This is Lulu. And these are from H&M. And these are Nike. These are Ray-Bans. This is from Target. This is from Target. This is from Target. And these are Doc Martens and Disney Loungefly. Oh, wait, from my girlfriend. Necklace from my girlfriend. This is Patagucci. So now that Casey's not entertaining you, let's just have a chat.
Cutie.
I love it.
Jewelry is magic band.
Oh yeah, magic
bracelets
band.
that can't come out because they're welded together. Pandora. I don't know if I said the plan for today, but today we are going to DAC, and then I think we are going to go to Epcot later. So yeah, what a fun day. Hopefully we get on Guardians. That's what I really want to do. But what is everything everyone wants to do today?
Fop. Nemo.
Fop. Nemo.
Have to be a bug.
Dinosaur.
I want to do Everest if it opens.
It better fucking open because I'll be pissed. Oh no, today's my first day riding Pandora.
Woo! It's gonna be so much fun. Personally, I want to see Nemo and the Lion King show. Oh, I also want to see all the animals on the tram.
This is the first ride of the day.
Woo! We're so accomplished. We are at Animal Kingdom. It is already sweltering hot.
It's really not that bad, you guys.
Alexa begs to differ. We're gonna go take some cutie photos before we completely melt, and ducks! And then quack, 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 quack. Oh. I'm really good with my animal noises. She's so happy to be back on her day off.
So where are the monkeys here? Excuse me,
Which kind?
All of them.
Wait, is she here? She's here!
Oh my goodness.
She literally is so gorgeous. I can't get over how big she is.
I love her so much.
The macaws are flying over. Wait, they have macaws fly here?
Yeah.
They do a show.
Bro.
The bird show, baby.
How do they not fly away?
Because they're trained.
I didn't know you could train them like that.
They're really intelligent birds.
Big tree. Big tree.
Oh, fun fact for the vlog.
Okay.
The totem poles and tiffins were carved by a Bali family, and they actually inspired the carving of the animals in the Tree of Life.
Oh, that's awesome.
Would y'all want to see a Scott from Lacoste here today?
Yeah!
Well, all you have to do is look out!
Me too. Oh my god.
Alright, we got lots of
Is this Jurassic Park?
Wow, they're out of here so fast! Thank you so much, everybody, for doing this for me together!
No freaking way. It is not otters. I'm gonna cry.
They're getting into the water, you see them?
Oh my god, I'm gonna sob. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, they're cutie, aren't they?
They're so sweet. Do you hear their little chirps?
Cuddle on my freaking door.
We're going to Festival of the Lion King. We took some cute photos. Insert those here. Okay, there's the photos and.
You know, I was in the Lion King show. I've ever been in. And Christmas Carol.
Bailey.
I was Tiny Tim.
You were a Nutcracker girl.
Well, yeah, but that's not a
Oh my god.
I love this show so much.
Oh, I've never seen it. Okay, POV, here are the spots. We better be in the lion section. I'm literally gonna die. I've never seen this before. I know they just brought the temple monkeys back. Did they do the birds flying again?
I don't know.
Okay.
I've only seen this once, and it was the short version.
Akuna Matata. Akuna Matata. Akuna Matata. Akuna.
It means no worries for the rest of your days.
Akuna Matata.
Do you know Lion King's my favorite movie?
Everyone's review of Folk.
It was good.
It was so stinking good. Me and Janet especially was crying the whole time. I was crying at the end a little bit there.
You know what they should have sang? He lives in you.
Oh, that would have gotten me. That would have got me good.
He lives in me. You know what they should have sang?
Okay.
Na 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 hey ya na na hey ya na. That's what the Frozen song.
Okay. But we figured out there's people in there that can pose Simba, and we didn't know, so we said bye Simba, and Simba went.
And then we said bye to
Pumbaa, and
he
Pumbaa
waves
waves
us
little
too.
waves us too. I was like, I didn't know there were people in there that can see you. Look who we found. Woo!
Okay, facts.
Look at my ball.
So we just watched Chip, Dale, and Goofy come by, as well as Timon and Rafiki.
When they flirted with us.
Yeah, no, Timon literally, like, I blew him a kiss, and he went and snatched it.
He's in love with Alexa.
He's absolutely in love with me,
You
and
need to find him at work.
Oh no, literally, I work here, so I'm totally gonna have to find him
She
after
owns
work.
this park.
We're about to go to Flight of Passage.
Yeah, fop. We're about to fop it up in 20 minutes.
Alright, I'm gonna have to update you guys because this is my first time at Pandora ever. I might cry, I'm not gonna lie.
I almost cried the first time I went on it.
genuinely might cry.
I almost cried.
Be warned, there might be a tear.
Why are we really good vloggers? Casey, you better put this shit in.
I'm learning.
No, you're doing
technology.
I feel kind of bougie. Like,
Right?
Here you go. No, they're awesome.
They're so cute. Yeah.
Look at them.
I like him.
Who do you like? That one, purple? Hello, Dave.
This is Richard.
Yeah, I agree.
this is my boy. This is Terrence.
Hello, Terrence Egerton.
Mine said
I wanted to cry really bad.
This one, they're making out.
Far away.
Oh, forbidden love. Oh my god, it's an avatar.
they're called the Navi.
Sivako!
Covered in bioluminescent algae.
As a diversion.
So excited.
Can I get a chalky milk?
Get your chocolate milk. May I please have a small chalky milk?
Can everyone see me?
Yes.
Great. You're not going to feel a thing.
I did feel a thing.
Liar.
And fly.
Okay, wait, there's me. Hope I'm hot.
All right.
I got a boy, but he's hot at least.
Mine's ugly.
And I'll see you in there.
Sivako.
Sivako. Ready, everyone? Alexa got pizza. Here's a salad. What did you get, Megan?
I got a kid's gluten-free chicken bowl.
Love. What did you get, Janny?
I got a kid's regular, not gluten-free, grilled beef bowl.
Her. And I got a cheese pizza too. Cheers! We are going to brave Everest. Who thinks we're gonna find a Yeti?
I don't think so.
Oh, really?
I don't think he.
Oh yeah.
No,
Just like global warming. And he was having a disco party, I heard.
Wait, why were we invited?
Megan! We have faced the Yeti and now we are seeing Nemo. I'm so excited to see this. We're doing Dinosaur. Did we all like Finding Nemo?
I loved it.
I loved it. It was really
like
good. Did we know that Janet auditioned for Nemo?
Did you guys know I submitted for Nemo and nobody ever got back to me?
Now we're going on Dinosaur. I'm not a big fan of it, but here we go.
Don't be mean. Don't be mean to Dinosaur.
Hello there.
Dr. Seeker put my life at risk. That's what he did to me.
Dr. Seeker is sexy.
For a dinosaur.
Facts.
We are officially wilderness explorers, and we are going to get probably our first badge at the safari.
Woo!
What animals does everyone want to see?
I want to see the lions, but they're probably going to be asleep, so it's okay if I don't.
Yeah, fair. I just really like the elephants.
Me too. I want to see
facts.
the elephants really bad.
Giraffes.
Oh,
Giraffes.
giraffes are a good one too. Facts.
Her. Okay, I will update on the ride or after the ride. Oh my goodness, look who it is. Oh my god.
Okay, oh, she's hiding. Kevin?
No. Where'd he go?
Where's Kevin? You have where? Right there? No, that's a There.
Go, go, go. We are watching It's Tough to Be a Bug after going hard at the dance. I'm so scared. Last time I watched this, I was a kid and I was terrified. Tough to Be a Bug. So
That was the worst experience of my
oh
life.
my god, I have trauma.
It's fun.
I literally have
I got
trauma.
stung in the back. Spiders came down from the ceiling.
I
and
literally
then,
almost
cockroach
cried.
went under my butt cheek at the end.
Not the butt cheek. Right now, I don't know what we're gonna do next. We might go on the trails, we might
I
go
look
to
pretty. What are you
Everest.
talking about?
And everyone tell Janet how pretty she looks in the comments below, and Alexa, because they look gorge and they don't believe me. Yeah, so this is coming our way. We are waiting for our return time for Flight of Passage again. And we're scared. Hopefully this passes quickly. It says on the weather app it's supposed to, and we can make it to Epcot for Harmonious. That's the whole plan. Okay, we're back at Flight of Passage. Hopefully I get a cute girl this time.
Stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan. You've all got them. You're not going to feel a thing. Your mind will be able to control that avatar. Take decades for ecosystems to recover. Thanks to science, avatars can ride on banshees too. Pandora is a breathtaking natural world. I cannot fly.
I'm literally a hot dude again. Bro, don't do it. Don't do it. What happened?
But like, seriously, are my eyes gonna burst?
Yeah, do it. No, you won't.
They're gonna fall off.
belongings and exit the link chamber.
We're going to the car.
I think it's gonna rain.
Jacob! You named my daughter
the Loch Ness Monster!
We're going to the car. Did you see that? I got that on camera.
Crazy.
We're booking it to the car. Pray. Janet's the only one with any sort of rain gear. I'm gonna put you guys away in case it starts raining. Peace and love.
Peace and love. You did peace and love.
Say bye, Pandora.
Bye, Hallelujah. That's what they call them in the movie.
What?
They call them the Hallelujah Mountains.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Epcot. The prettiest girl at school.
She is the prettiest girl at school.
We are here in the Mexican pavilion. There's the view of Harmonious. We didn't barricade in time, but it's a pretty good view and I'm excited. I've never seen it before.
First time.
Woo! I'm so excited. Ready? Yeah, go. With the phone. PSA, It's Tough to Be a Bug is just as terrifying as you remember it from being a kid. The spiders were gonna hurt me.
They're no joke.
And the termites crawled under my booty. And someone stung me in the back. Yes and no for me.
So hard to hear. Oh my god.
Look at her. She is gorgeous to me. I'll finish the vlog in the car, I think.
Whoa.